First, ensure that all your installed system packages are up to date to reduce the chance of conflicts during installation. ProtonVPN provides an official repository package, which integrates seamlessly with GNOME. So, visit the official ProtonVPN download page and download the .deb package for Debian. Now, install the ProtonVPN app designed for the GNOME desktop environment. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the ProtonVPN app from your application menu. Upon launching, you'll be prompted to log in, where you need to enter your ProtonVPN credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for ProtonVPN. The ProtonVPN app will display a list of servers. You can connect to the fastest server or choose a specific country. To ensure your connection is secure, you can check your IP address. You should see an IP address from the ProtonVPN server you connected to, not your real one.